In helping to answer the discussion question number 2, I thought it'd be a good idea to reference some of the materials that I use in introducing my course to my students at the beginning of the school year. I teach CTE, so if you go to the TEA website, the Texas Education Agency website, of course, all of our departments are broken down, and you have the TEKS and the crosswalks and so forth. So I teach animation, so the skill sets and job requirements that my students need fall under this right here: arts, audiovisual, video technology, and communications. So when you look at that, our TEKS for that, and let me open that, specifically list what we look for, what we try to develop in our students. Of course, we want the students to have an understanding of the various and multifaceted career opportunities. So there's a lot of career exploration. They take career interest assessments, so they have an idea of what kinds of things are expected of them when they get out in the world of work. And we look at encouraging them and helping them to demonstrate the use of content and technical concepts, of course, vocabulary that goes along with the subject that you're teaching. Correct grammar, punctuation. So writing is very important. Able to communicate orally, written, using a lot of research. Of course, students are good at using multimedia and incorporating that into their research. And I've got a couple of websites right here that I want to pull up. One of them is the LMCI website, Labor Market and Career Information website. And I usually have my students go to this one first at the beginning of the year. And it's on the left linked to different websites that are just basically a repository of data collected from around the state of Texas as far as job requirements, pay. And so, like for instance, they go to Texas Cares Online. When they click on that, they can go to the world of work. When they click on that, they take a self-assessment to begin to see where they're at, and it walks them all the way down to the career clusters and the occupation information. And they come up with a code they can put in here, and it takes them to different categories for jobs. So let's say title accountants. Job description is important, and I have them do several different job descriptions so they can start to see a pattern of what skills are important in the careers that they're looking at. Another one that I go to, let's see if I can find it, is Bridges. I think it's bridges.com. And let me see, here we go. I have them sign in. Our district pays quite a bit of money to have access to this, and the students use their ID and log in, and it's portable so they can take it anywhere. Their parents can work on it, and they create a portfolio of their interests, do some interest assessments, see what job skills they have, and it kind of points them in a direction. And let me sign in here. And once I sign in, I have them go to this one first, Choices Explorer, and when they click on it, it starts them off with a quiz, and all the way down to videos. They especially like watching the videos that describe the careers that they're going to pick, and it's a really good thing to start the year off. The other CTE teachers do that, so the kids are kind of used to the beginning of the year being career exploration and kind of seeing who's successful in this, how much they make. Like, let me click agricultural educator. So again, what they do, what's required of them. There's a video at the bottom. There are charts in here, so it's very visual, that shows them how much money they can make, what type of education is required, what types of skills that they need. And then they just go through the tabs right here. They create a budget so they can see how education ties into their career choices.